Hey, this is QRS Styles with another tutorial. This is the color that my hair is, and I'm going to get it ruby red. This is the color that I will be doing and achieving, the ruby red. I will be using Titan Kiss Ruby Red, also adding some Cantu conditioner. The conditioner is added to your color just to give it a boost and make the color even more brighter and intense. I am mixing the color and the conditioner in my tint bowl with my tint brush. Once the color is completely mixed with the conditioner, I will start applying the color to my hairline. I start applying color to the hairline as I would do in a color retouch and a perm, just so that the front is processed. And you always want your front to make sure that it processes fully and thoroughly first. With this semi-color, there is no ammonia, so you will not need any protective cream. Now I'll be using Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie, which I use daily. I take 1 scoop with my finger, and I just rub it all in my hands, make sure it's in both hands. And I just rub it through the front and through the back of my hair, just making sure that it's having a little moisture. It gives it a little curl. It also has protein and anti-frizz moisture with shine. And after I do that, I just brush my hair just to make sure that it is laid and slayed. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching QRS Styles DIU on Dyeing Your Own Hair.